Okay, we're going to wire up the PWM controller board. So that's this board here. And it looks like we have two sides to this. And we're going to wire it to this side. So we have ground, we have an output enable, we have the I2C clock, I2C data, VCC, and V+. And those are going to go up here to some pins on the Pi, so it looks like we might be able to use this short cable for that. They do the same thing again, kind of. They have black, white, gray, and red, and we don't have that, but we need 4 wires, so I'm just going to strip 4 wires off from here. Funny how in the book they wire the red wire to ground and the black wire to VCC. Anyway, we're just going to take these in order here and not worry about the colors. In my case, I'm going to put yellow on ground. No, let's put brown on ground. It's closer to black. Brown on ground. And let's put red on VCC just makes me feel better if I do that. Just from an engineering standpoint. Red is power. And then SCL and SDA. So I have orange is SCL, yellow is SDA. Okay. So what we have here, our wiring, VCC, the red wire, is going to go to pin 2 on the Raspberry Pi. So red to pin 2, and we know this is pin 1, so that's pin 2. SD, and let's put ground on. Ground goes to ground. They didn't give you a pin for ground. So looking... okay. So ground is pin 6. So we're going to wire ground to pin 6. And we know that VCC is pin 2. Then next to that is pin 4. Sorry. How can I show this? Oops. There's pin 2. And our brown wire at ground, pin 6. Hard to see, sorry about that. Okay, so we have our red power connected to +5 pin 2, and our brown ground connected to ground on the Pi, which is pin 6. Then SDA is pin 3. So I wish I had more light here. That's better. SDA is yellow. That is going to pin 3. so we know where pin 1 is. Let's see, I'm going to untangle this yellow wire here, push it through. And I knew that would happen. Isn't this fun? So yellow is pin 3. Let's put our VCC power back on pin 2. And SCL is pin 5. So that's right next to pin 3. And that's going to go there. Okay, so you can see yellow, and let's double check. There's pin 1, yellow's pin 3. That's SDA. Check. Pin 5 is orange. SCL. Check. Pin 2 is VCC, which is red. Check. And pin 6 is ground, which is ground. Okay. So